Hello, let's see the job manager, enterprise architecture and insight platform, data stewardship, stewardship leader. Job is released by Singapore Ports, Singapore hybrid 2 weeks ago, and 122 applicants applied for the position. There is a big company, almost 1,000 employees, but the industry is gambling facility and casino. Oh, gambling maybe in it is a special industry in Singapore. So maybe the position must applied just by citizenship, not by EPSP, long-term visit pass and PR only suitable for Singapore citizen. But I think there is so many applicants applied for this job. It is weird. Let's see about the job description. About the job, we are looking for a passionate and professional manager, enterprise architecture and insight platform, data stewardship leader to join our technology architecture and policy team. The incumbent. Let's review this word.
Incumbent.
Incumbent. The incumbent will be required to lead and manage the data stewardship team, ensuring that the governing process and guidelines are in place for administering in the group state. So 这么绕口how to say 绕口
A tongue twister.
A tongue twister. So some words always in ing with ing is a tongue twister. So let's read it again. Ensuring that the governing process and guidelines are in place for administering the group data, responsible for the management and the fitness of data elements used across the enterprise. It is the reason for the job for the position. However, we also recognize that each individual has a unique blend of skill. Whether your strength is in data governance, management, and stewarding, we want to talk to your stewarding. Let's check it by
Stewarding.
Stewarding. This is why my server cannot recognize my pronunciation and the YouTube cannot recognize my pronunciation because there is maybe very different from the Chinese oral and native language English oral. It is
Stewarding.
It is stewarding. Stewarding. Mosquito die. We want to talk to you. What you will do? Firstly, you will participate in data strategy planning for the domain and delivery domain data strategy and objectives. Develop a strategy for data system management in alignment with business and technology requirements. So this should be the leader for the job. His responsibility to handle the strategy, handle the team, handle the technology roadmap. Second, you will collaborate with leadership across the domain to identify business needs and implement data capacity and process. It is empty words. Third line, you will utilize or develop reference architectures that fits within the overall architecture blueprint for data architecture, partner with other architecture developer, security team to facilitate the development of service automation and continue delivery pipeline. Maybe there is a very complex workflow for this job and there may be a very detailed data auditor for the job for their, because there is a gambling industry and a casino, so they should be very care about their data. Next line. You will participate in issue resolution process, act as a point of resolution, priority to data owners' involvement. You will participate in issue resolution process, act as a point of resolution, priority prior to data owners' involvement. Maybe this is not a hand-on operation, but just as a team leader. I think so. Next line. You will build and monitor the data quality and data governance scorecards. Work with the DGC to implement the continuous improvement opportunities to their domain. I don't know what is DGC, but I think this is responsible for the quality and data governance, and he must build up the scorecards and examination, all the teams working, and process auditor. I think so. You will build and monitor the data quality and data governance scorecards. Okay. Let's see next line. You will access new technologies and develop solutions appropriate to business requirement for inside platform, and that leverage architectural standard. Empty words. Next line. You will help the data governance committee. This is data governance committee. 数据委员会
Committee.
Data governance committee. You will help the data governance committee have objectives and ensure teamwork across domain. So this is a leader job, but not hand-on for very detailed technology. Maybe he is not responsible for the detailed technology. But I think who you are, you have a degree in business analysis and relative quantitative,
Quantitative.
and all related quantitative field. You should have minimized 8 years of experience in data governance, management, and stewarding.
Stewarding.
We like to stupid. Stewarding. You should a formula or
Proficient.
Yes, proficient. You should formula or proficient in ETL, ClickView, CQ, NoSQL. I think ClickView should be the product released by Taiwan manufacturer. They have released the product, I think maybe 10 years ago. At that time, I worked in China Grand Auto, and I have skilled in ClickView. But they have some wrong. It is ETL. They have some write this abbreviation in wrong. You should have experience in Carbonian. How to translate this?
Conveying.
Always ing. Experience in conveying special observable and measurable expectations and requirements for data collection. There is maybe so many requirements from their internal customer, internal department. You see, this is the gambling industry. You should be detail-oriented, well-organized, and self-motivated, comfortable working both independently and collaboratively. Yes. For the leader, you must do all of this. You must detail-oriented and well-organized for yourself and your team. And you must comfortable working both independently and collaboratively. Okay, it is a good job for the team leader. And next line, you should have strong interpersonal skills with the ability to collaboratively work with desired team with and outside the group IT. Yes, you must be a very good team leader and cooperation your team and collaborate all their ability and their experience and you must have the excel. You must have the skill and you must do the job to organize all your teams very well. And you should be able to demonstrate the knowledge of data architecture and implementation features. Yes, you must know about the detailed technology. At least you must know the principle. Next line. You should be able to demonstrate the knowledge of DevOps. It is developed and released and tested and online, all of this. One hand for developer, one hand for test, and then for UAT and go live. To the chain and process. Next line. You should be able to demonstrate the knowledge of security. Yes, you must know about the router and the database security and the administrator of the database, such as the user space and how to guarantee user cannot delete the data very easy. And you must administrate every detailed line for the records and guarantee the logs of the database should be full chain. Yes. Last line. PMP certified will be added advantage. Yeah. Everyone have a PMP, not me. Okay, let's see the benefits. Compared to salary, flexible benefits, staggered working hours. Oh, I see. Maybe the gambling is no stopping. So, enjoy their customers, you must have the schedule.
Staggered.
You must have the staggered working hours. Okay. Next line. Media insurance, corporate mobile plan. Yes, free mobile plan, free mobile for everyone. Just a new iPhone used for you because they must guarantee you cannot leak the information out of the corporation. So you must use the corporate mobile, not for you yourselves, because there are so many data and so many internal information transferred and exchanged by mobile phone. So it is very important. Let's see, Singapore Singapore is 福利彩票 and gambling. Yes, I think maybe Singapore not different. It is very different from China's poor. China's poor is fraud and full of fake information and just cheat for their users. Yeah, I have noticed 20 years ago. It is a fact. Okay, let's see this. Singapore welcome you not to how you look, where you come from, or difference you may have. We want you here for you are. Diversity at the company helps us see a greater picture presentation presented by different voice, helping us in contributing back to the society. So feel free to express how you are. Feel free to express who you are, and be proud of your history and personal experience as you begin your journey with us. Singapore was established by the government on 23 May 1968 to provide safe and trusted betting to counter illegal gambling. How to translate it?
To counter illegal gambling.
Yes, to counter illegal gambling. Yes, there always a very long queue in every poor station. As a not-for-profit organization, all of Singapore's surplus is channeled to tilt board. How to pronounce it?
Tote board.
Tote board, I don't know. Tote board found a wide range of cases in social service, community development, sports, the arts, education, and health. Currently, Singapore contributes about 2 billion annually to the government in the form of tax and duties, and for the funding of good cause, and for the funding of good case. How to translate the good case? Maybe 慈善. How to say 慈善?
Charity.
Yes, charity. There always someone say very loud charity and ask you to donation, and I have donated several times. Always young people, they searched from the MRT and meet the young people, say to you charity. Yes, I think it is a good job, but maybe I have no the qualification to apply for job. Maybe I have. Yes, okay, let's stop.